Hi, I'm Johnny and I'm excited to show you what VTR can do and how it might make life a little easier at your school. We built it after spending hours with teachers, mapping out the admin load behind excursions, camps and events, and how it all needs to align with your school policy. VTR brings that whole process into one place, with tools like AI-generated risk assessments, smart itineraries, and faster approvals. It works with your existing school systems, and we've built it with security and privacy at the forefront. I can't wait to show you what we've built. Let's dive in. When you log in to VTR, you land on your dashboard. On our left is the navigation menu that stays with us the whole time during our proposal. We click VTR to get started. First, what are we planning? We choose from excursion, incursion, camp or event, and we'll go in excursion this time and give it a name for internal reference, like excursion to the zoo. Next, we'll select the provider we're visiting. VTR searches a database of thousands, but we can always add our own as we need. Once we've found the provider, we can add this stop. It's our first in this destination. Then we add a program we're going to. As an example, the Lion Keeper talk at the zoo. We add the duration and this feeds our itinerary. You can add more steps for a multi-destination day or continue building our proposal. Now for the core details. We can add our date, the departure time we're leaving the school, and whether this date has been confirmed with the provider. We select the year groups, add the number of students, and if we know them, any staff or volunteers that are coming on the day. VTR now asks how we're getting there. Bus, public transport, private car, or walking. We can add whatever we like. We select bus and instantly a smart itinerary is built. Everything we've added so far, date, departure time, activities, and the times. We can add extras like another activity, a travel leg, or a break. Let's add lunch at this provider. The itinerary automatically rearranges itself, and a map from school on the right-hand side to the provider is included for reference. Next, we add our costs. The provider's fee, the program cost, any transport, accommodation, or any other fees. For this demo, we're going to add our bus hire. At this point, everything is saved automatically as we go, so we can step away and return without losing any progress at any time during the proposal. Here is where our custom AI tool saves us hours. We upload the provider's risk assessment, our school's risk assessment, and then we answer a few questions about medical or learning needs of the students we are taking. We click Generate Risk Assessment, and in under a minute, our VTR produces a consistent, detailed risk matrix with ratings, responsibilities, key risks, mitigations, and residual risks. We can see the AI tool working here in advance. Once this table is being produced, we can edit the risk assessment as we see fit. We then add our learning outcomes for the activity and we're on to the review and submit. All our details, participants, itinerary, costs, risks are now in one place. Review everything, then send it to our school admin for approval. VTR drafts the email with all attachments that are ready to go. Our admin can then review, comment, or approve directly in VTR. Back on the dashboard, you can see the status of every proposal, draft, pending, or approved, and share it with your admin team, so everyone's in the loop. We can also navigate to our calendar and see the same thing. And that's a complete proposal from start to finish in VTR. Fast, consistent, and built to make your job easier. In other videos, we'll dive into preferences, bookings, and more. But for now, thanks for watching, and I